Hey guys, Jimmy here, and today we're going to be doing a cold start on the Cub 129 hydrostatic. So yeah, I just put some fuel in her. I recorded a part, but I took it out. So let's turn the gas on. We'll see if she starts. Oh. She's cold. Give her some choke. Oh. She may not start on us, boys. And we could always try the 606. Can't do the 806. Wait, I think you put the key up. Gosh darn it. Give her some choke. She does not want to start. Gosh. She cold. She must be. Okay. Let's give her a choke. Give her about that much. Man. She just don't want to start. Come on, Cub. Here's some throttle. Okay, she may be flooded. So, for a minute, whoa, okay. So, for a minute here, I'm going to pause the video, and I'll be right back to you whenever I let her set for a little bit. Okay, guys, we're back, and, yeah, we'll see if she can fire yet. Put her glove back on. Now, while you all was gone, I hope you got some popcorn and stuff, and that way you're ready for the show. Should have told you that earlier, but I didn't. I'm sorry. So I got her about a quarter of a full choke, which is about that much of full choke. Throttle. So let's give it some gas. needs a crank on it. Or you can come out here and you go. Just throw. Oh. Alright, let's give her another go. If she don't start, then try to hold down on the brake this time. Give her full throttle.